Hi guys, Dr. Rahul here. So in this session I will discuss about the recent advances on COVID-19 management or the recent changes that happened. So this is I am discussing after I made a video on the COVID-19 on all subjects, right? So regarding the latest COVID management, correct? Latest COVID management. This is also important for your exam point of view and also for your knowledge, right? You must know what is going on. So there is something called as antibody cocktail drug, correct, which is combination of casirivimab and ab means antibody. You know that antibody cocktail drug combination of casirivimab and imdevimab. Okay, remember the names: antibody cocktail drug combination of casirivimab and imdevimab, correct. And 20 ml dose is given to patient and used by 3 to 4 days of illness, correct. And main mechanism of action is blocks ace inhibitors, ace receptors, sorry, ace receptors, right. So antibody cocktail drugs casirivimab and indevimab used by 3 to 4 days of illness. It blocks ace receptors, right. And we are waiting for a new drug, which is that sotrovimab. It is a monoclonal antibody, right, against the spike protein. Okay, remember this name, sotrovimab, correct. Okay, so by day 3 to 4 there will be upper respiratory infection ongoing. So how will we manage here, right? By day 3 to 4, see, we will divide into three classes, right? First, who are double dose vaccinated, right? COVID patient double dose vaccinated, okay. So for them we will observe. But if the patient is more than equals to 60 years or metabolically unhealthy or any replacement or prosthesis is there, then we will give 100% cocktail. We will give it, right? Again, second class, if it is unvaccinated, if the patient is unvaccinated, immunocompetent, right, with one dose, uncompetent, immunocompetent, okay, unvaccinated, immunocompetent, follow the words, with one dose vaccinated, right. So for them, less than 60% cocktail is optional, and if this is not the case, then of course 100% cocktail. And for those who are completely unvaccinated, immunocompromised, that was immunocompetent, this is immunocompromised COVID patient, in that case 100% cocktail drug, correct. So this is clear. Okay, so next we will go to management of day 5 to day 10, where lower respiratory infection may set up in, this is called pulmonic phase. How we'll manage here? Actually, first we'll see what happens here. There type 2 alveolar cells are involved, and for which there will be diffuse alveolar hemorrhage, right, and also hypoxia, right. Keep this in mind. So in day 5 to day 10, we have to categorize the patient whether it is a moderate or he is going to in a severe case, right. So moderate, when we'll say moderate, when SpO2 is 90 to 93% and respiratory rate 24 to 30, yes. And severe when SpO2 is less than 90% and respiratory rate more than 30, correct. So what will we do in moderate cases? Treatment is steroids, right, plus anticoagulants plus oxygen as needed, plus a combination drug, which is that remdesivir plus baricitinib, right. And for severe, ICU admission is required right? Non-invasive ventilation with CPAP and intubation is required. This I have discussed in my last session as well. Here you can give steroids plus anticoagulants plus again that combination remdesivir plus baricitinib. Okay, so these are the recent updates and the recent treatments, right? So this also has been published in various platforms, various various channels, various telegrams. So and also in various lectures it has been published, right? So okay, so take care, and if any further updates I will let you know in my channel, right? Okay, thank you.